Hi friends, today in this video we're watching the beautiful LED mirrors for bathroom. There you can see that the beautiful designs are available. It has some beautiful advantages. So friends, in this video I'm going to share their price and which are the best brands to buy and what are the advantages. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. The soft globe backfit mirrors can improve the ambience, which makes the bathroom feels bigger, so more pleasant. They contribute to modern clean designs. Actually, the biggest advantages of these LED mirrors is that they provide the uniform shadow-free lighting, especially around the face, which helps for our shaving, applying makeups, or so because you don't have to rely only on the overhead or side lights. Another advantages of these lights are used for less power compared to halogen bulbs. Also, LED strips elements often last many years, and it is also the space saving and a clean look because the lighting is built into or behind the mirror like backlight or edge lit, so you can avoid separate light fixtures, so wall scenes, etc. This gives a sleek, minimalist, modern appearance designs for your bathroom. And many mirrors comes with dimmable lighting or different color temperatures like a warm, cool, daylight, so you can adjust as per your require depending upon the time or the day of use. Even it has some touch controls which has a proximity sensors. And friends, now we're going to discuss about the price. Actually, the price starts from 1500 rupees. It totally depends upon the designs and the price you will get like 1500, 1700, 2000, 3000 also. So it totally depends upon the brands and the size of the mirror and designs also. Anyone, I've given the link to buy that mirror designs, so friends you can check my description. So friends, there are the different brands are available like Kushi Decos or Kralex. You will get different types of designs. Plantex mirror or Lupra decorative LED mirrors. These are the popular brands you will get online in a Flipkart. So you can check out my description. These mirrors scream sophistication, whether it is sleek flame-raised designs or a cheek round mirror with a glowing halo. So they instantly upgrade your bathroom's decorations. And many LED mirrors comes with built-in defoggers, no more wiping down your mirror after a steamy shower. Even it has customizable features like from touch sensors to dimmable lights and even the Bluetooth speakers. Even LED mirrors are packed with the smart features, so it totally depends upon the price and brands. And it has different sizes like 18 into 24 inches and 24 by 36, so you can select as per your bathroom size, so as per your requirement. So friends, before buying these mirrors you should remember some important points. First is that measure your space, make sure the mirror fits your bathroom. So always measure above the wash basin or the vanity and consider the height for usable. Check features, so look for the high CRI like color rendering index for accurate lighting or for dimmable option and anti-fog if you want convenience. Another thing is to remember is a match your decor of your bathroom, so pick a shape and frame that complements your bathroom. Another one is the read the reviews, which check the customer feedback on sites like Flipkart to ensure the quality and reliable after sales service. And these mirrors are more often than just a reflection, they are blend of style, function and innovation, whether you are upgrading a small bathroom or a creative or luxury. So friends, if you have any doubts regarding to the designs, price, or if you want more details related to interior designs, you can ask me in the comment section or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So friend, I hope that this video will help you to select the best LED mirror designs And if you like my videos, then please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share with your friends. And friends, please subscribe to our channel because we are close to 3,50,000 subscribers. Keep supporting to our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Thank you.